Get back! I'm gonna shoot! Oh my god, run! Help us! Someone help!
Help us! Someone help!
Everyone, we need a plan! Keep it distracted!
Oh my god, look at the size of it!
I'm taking the shot now.
Get her out of there!
We've got you. You're safe now.
Hurry, it's still coming!
Aim for the head, right there! No, look out, it's too fast!
Oh God, help me!
Keep firing. Aim for the eyes.
It's too big, it's useless!
Get back. Fall back now.
Get back! It's too strong! Run! Fall back now! Help me! Burn! Light it up! Take this, you monster! Shoot it now! Get back! Take cover! We have to defend the position! Get down! Grenade out! I'm hit! Fall back! Keep firing!
It's armed.
Move! Hey, you want us? Come and get us!
The timer is running.
Duck! Get down! Look out for the tail! It got me!
Keep moving, don't stop! The line! Prepare the payload now! Don't let it get closer! Now!
Fire everything you've got! Take cover! Fire! It's too fast.
Move!
Direct hit!
By the gods, look at the size of that blast!
Is it enough?
Fall back! Take cover now! All units, focus fire on the head!
Go, go, go!
Hold the line! Aim for the head!
Watch the flank. Don't let it get closer.
I remember when this was the living room. We had that big oak table right there.
We used to have the best dinners. I miss that.
Now, hit it with everything you've got!
ฉันไม่ได้นัดพริกจะรู้ที่นี่ฉันรู้ว่าคุณแพ้สอบถูกราชอันที่นั้นสิ่งที่นั่นที่นิสัยไม่
It feels like a lifetime ago.
I keep remembering the little things.
I'm just glad we made it through the storm.